For over 70 years, the tradition of providing wholesome turkey to families in Ontario and beyond began with Harry and Frida. Their passion for a sustainable family farm is instilled in their children and grandchildren.
Taste and tradition, quality and friendly service is what our family has strived to offer our customers since 1948. Now, with over 50 different turkey products to choose from, you can visit us at our local grocery stores or come visit us here in Dashwood to experience the amazing flavor of fresh Ontario turkey.
With our hands-on approach, we strive to produce high-quality turkey products every day, right from the way we care for our flock through to production and distribution. Great taste in turkey is simple. We care.